Hello friends. So today I'm going to talk about the current lockdown situation and how it is happening, why it is happening. So the the new moon actually was in this constellation Andromeda. It's also known as the constellation of Uttarabhadra as per Indian astrology. So let me show you that. So yesterday the new moon happened. Okay, and it was in this star called Uttarabhadra, which is nothing but Pegasus as well as Andromeda. So, as you all know, Andromeda, Pegasus, I have discussed this briefly in previous videos. So, Andromeda is the chained lady, okay, and Pegasus is the horse, flying horse. So, let me show you that. So, this horse actually flies in Jumanji, the next level, okay. And this is also represented like this particular constellation in which the new moon happened yesterday. The new year started for Indians. So the lockdown happened yesterday for India for 21 days. But we will fly. There's nothing to worry. So this is nothing but Andromeda. And there is another story called which is there in the constellation called Corona Borealis. It tells how Daedalus built a labyrinth or a maze-like structure to house the Minotaur, a creature that was half man and half bull. Here it devoured the 7 youths and 7 maidens. So basically, if you want to get out of the maze or get inside the center, you need to break the maze or you need to find the breadcrumbs. So even though we are locked down, we will come out of it through our breadcrumbs, through our knowledge, through the keys that we will find. So Andromeda is a chained lady. Okay. See, India is locked down for 21 days. Exactly yesterday, when Andromeda was rising. This is Andromeda. Lock. See, it is in the neck. This is a Netflix series called Lock and the Key. It is the same thing. The same thing. It's in the neck because 33 vertebrates are here, right? It ends here. That's why. And in the ancient legend, Sita was locked down in a forest. It's called Ashokvan, meaning a forest without sadness. So she was locked here, and the demon king or titan king wanted to touch her, but he was unable to touch her. She was also locked down. So this is not the first time people are locked down or anything like that. Sita means Andromeda, the damsel in distress. It's the same theme. The game has been played many times with different names, but we have come out of it. Deserted and weeping bitterly as she was, brought her help and comfort so that she might shine among the eternal stars. He took the crown from her forehead and set it in the sky. That's why crown corona borealis. Even in the ancient epic Mahabharata, they were banished to forest. The five brothers, the five heroes, along with their wife. It's called Ajnatavas. Vanvas Ajnatavas. The same lock and key themes are being repeated in every age, whether it is the Kali age or golden age or whatever age. The serpent of the dragon of the deep, Kundalini energy. So don't worry, stay safe.